That's the serial number and everything there. Most of the this will be the hours. 10,216 hours. All right, let's see if we can make it operate here. Still, it's not an auto tie, it's just a manual tie. It all works good. But you do have to run your bells manually. Drum going back now, it just come forward. Can you open that and see down in there? As you can see, there's the bell, and then we just have to tie it up. And like I say, it has the capability of being an auto bell, but the auto portion of the bell is not working, so you do have to do it manually. Something wrong with these eyes, from what they tell me here. So anyway, so you just have to do it manually from here. That's what you have to do. So be interested, if any interested or can do answer any more questions, just have to let me know. Thank you.